Good morning. I'm Steve Gustitis and welcome to Walkabout. Here I help new and novice hikers and backpackers learn how to be more comfortable and safer in the backcountry. In this video, I'm going to talk a bit about my channel to give you some insight on what to expect and a bit about my personal story. All that's coming up right after this. In September of 1985, I completed my first hiking and backpacking trip up in Glacier National Park up in northern Montana. It was a solo trip. It was about a week long, and after I got out of the woods on the last day of that trip, I was absolutely hooked on this sport. Each video will consist of two parts. The first is the educational phase, where we'll talk about gear, in planning and things like that. The second part will include a cinematic video, either a montage of photographs or actual video footage that I shot out on a trip, and I hope that is entertaining to you as well. If you do think the content is helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each week when I upload new material. If you have questions, go ahead and add those down in the comment section and I'll engage with you. I enjoy developing that dialogue with my audience to help other people learn about how to backpack and hike more comfortably and more safely in the backcountry. If you have topics that you are interested in having me cover, go ahead and add those too. And I will add those to my list of running ideas that I have to present to my audience during my Walkabout series.